we finally have all of our muscles set up. However, only the upper part of the arm is set up to follow the sensors. And instead now for the forearm, we have to generate all the locators and all the sensors that we will need to take care of pronation and other actions that happen in the forearm. So for that reason, let's hide the muscles actually, and let's start creating some locators. The first locator that we will create is the pronation locator and sensor. So here, and this will be L wrist pronation ADN locator, actually one, yeah, weird. And let's create the sensor, and guess what? This will be L wrist pronation ADN sensor. Okay, and let's work on those remap values. So here is supination and here comes pronation. So pronation, let's see, okay, this seems to be the extreme value, which is 3.8. Okay, cool, great. So we already have this first sensor that we will have to use later on to plug to the muscle fibers of the relevant muscles. We now have to keep track of other actions. So let's have a look at the actions for the wrist actually. So the four main actions of the wrist are extension, flexion, supination, and pronation. We have already created sensors for supination, pronation here, and now we need to create the sensors for extension and flexion. So let's create the locator for flexion first here. So we have L wrist flex underscore da da da, and let's create the sensor now. So we have L underscore wrist flex sensor. Okay, cool. So now we are going to go to this remap distance and take care of extracting those values. So this will be full flexion. So we can come here and set this up. So this will be 20.5. Should work, yeah. So let's have a look. Yeah. You see when it's flexed, this is activated. Cool. And then what we're also going to do is the extension here. So we have, L wrist extend. Let's create the sensor. L wrist extend. And now here we have to find that range. So we have this, and let's go and check where we are at. There you go. Here we are extending it, so we want this to be 19.5 activated. Cool, great. And with this, we can now start assigning sensors to the different muscles.